Basically, according to whatever you say, of course, we also believe and accept whatever you are saying that allopathic drugs are not good for the body, and it is our body has an immune system and a repairing system which will heal itself. And the alternative therapies of healing has come into existence, and basically these are not, basically we can't see them, and we know that our body gets
Amma, I have a request. Make it a question, not a lecture. You tell me what you want to know.
Yes,
I will give you an answer for the first question. You said, can the body heal itself? Yes.
It will heal, I know that, sir. I'm asking another question. Through healing, we see that the body is getting healed, but the scientific proof or an evidence as a device, which I know that you have developed, is it possible that we can have a look at it by your help, where you have produced that devices, sir?
I have not heard a word of what you said. Come here.
Okay.
In that meantime, we'll take the next question.
Jeevanavan bala complicated ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ.
Hello.
Please wait, sir. Please wait. There's a queue here. Hold on.
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Doctor, in that meantime, next question.
So in the meantime,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಡಬಲ್ ಅಪ್. It will help you.
Thank you, sir.
Good girl. Come. ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. She is a very dynamic girl and she wants to now ಕೇಳಿ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Basically, we know that because of that we have a healing capacity, but there is no medicine that I'm a healer. When we heal people, I know the pain goes off.
So everybody who has a question, we are making a queue over here. All volunteers, can you please take back all the mics? We are making a line here. If you have any questions, join us here, please.
I know you have done a research with the instrument of having people where you can measure all those things. Can you have a look at it? And I want to get connected to you like that.
Good. This is between us. You don't have to know about it. She is an energy healer and she gets very good results. And that is called Science of Healing Outcomes. I am running a journal only for that, Science of Healing Outcomes. The surrogate science that we talk about, blood pressure has come down, patient is better, is not correct. Is the patient better? Patient is better. She wants to know, how did the patient improve with their treatment? I can tell her that. We will try to, have a understanding between the two of us, okay?
Sir, pranayama, how many times we need to do? Second question is schizophrenia and treatment.
Pranayama, the longer you do, the better. But I tell you something. You do this pranayama, meditation, everything so correctly for maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. Rest of the 22 hours, if you plan to destroy somebody's, then you are not a yogi at all. So you must have what is called brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is not sleeping with the wife. Brahmacharya is authenticity in everything you do. Number 1, you must walk your talk. Number 2, pratyahara. You must enjoy something good, but you should not feel that must be mine. Supposing Karthikeyan Sab, he doesn't have one. Supposing he has got a beautiful diamond ring, let us say. I love that diamond ring. So, if he has a diamond ring which is so good, I must enjoy that. What a beautiful ring Karthikeyan Sab has got. But should I never get a feeling, if I had one, there you go. That is not a yogi. That's called pratyahara. Then, detached attachment. We all have attachment in life. But if a detached attachment, you are only nimitta matram here. And the attachment should not be permanent. Then you get suffer diseases. Both your questions are good. Humility is the greatest virtue in this world. It's with humility, when you lose your I, you become we. We is wellness. I is illness. I'll give you an example of a neurology professor in Harvard. Young girl, 48, single, brilliant. 7 o'clock she must be in her lab. Her routine is she lives alone and she gets up at 6 o'clock, brushes her teeth and has everything, gets into the bathtub, gets out, dresses up, drives to Harvard. One day, she was 48, she was turning the water for bath and her hand gets paralyzed, the right hand gets paralyzed. So then she can't control the water. Then she wants to call her colleagues to say that something is wrong with her because she is alone. She takes the phone, then she doesn't know how to ring the phone. So her right side completely gets paralyzed and she becomes unconscious. She falls down. But the phone has fallen down. In America, if you take the phone, it doesn't keep it back. It rings at 911. So the police came, picked her up. To cut the long story short, she had a huge hemorrhage in the brain. Her left brain was completely crushed by blood. So doctors had to operate for 12 hours. She took 8 years to recover. Now she is back as a professor, but that's not what she does. Now she professes nirvana. Because she said those 12 hours of operation and 8 hours before that, those 20 hours, she thought she is one with the world. No I at all, we. She was so happy. But when doctors started working on her, she became unhappy. Now she says, you stimulate your right brain, you get nirvana. And that's why she now is propagating yoga, pranayama. Please see this video shown by her with the brain specimen. Her name is Jill Bolte Taylor. JILLBOLTE Go to YouTube and say Jill Bolte Taylor, YouTube, and tuck it comes. And she speaks for about 18 minutes. So fascinating, so fascinating. A neurologist, a neuroscientist in Harvard becoming a yogi. This boy has a problem with his grandfather. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಯ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ? 72. ತಿನ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ತಿನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ. 72 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ? 72-year-old grandfather is a diabetic. He wants to eat dry fruits, etc. at night, which this boy thinks is because he has read in the book that he should not eat after. So it doesn't matter. Ask him to eat less. And there are studies which show diabetics have to eat 6 times a day. It is good. There are other studies which say diabetics can eat only twice. So these studies mean nothing. Okay. ಪಾಪ ಅವರು ಇರಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 20 ವರ್ಷ ಇರಲಿ ಪಾಪ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತೆ? This doctor is a very intelligent girl. She thinks I have got a good memory. But I'll tell you frankly, I can't remember anybody's name. My wife, when she was alive, she is with God now, but when she was alive, she used to always make fun of me. You don't know our relatives' names. So my memory is not good. I would answer that in one word: God's blessings. Thank you very much. Ilbani, you bala ole doctor.
This is Paritosh. I just want to have one question. You have mentioned that for young people, they should not put on weight. For young people, you have mentioned that they should not put on weight. Can you prescribe a book or a way of living or the parameters they should maintain in their life so they can have a good life? And as I think I'm still young, so I would like to incorporate those things into my life so that I can have a healthier life.
Good. Very simple, very simple. I told you, eat when you are hungry only. Never eat when you are not hungry, even if it is time for food, number one. And if eat half of what you want to eat, if you think you can eat 2 idlis, stop at 1 idli, you'll never put on weight. And be very active. Don't be lazy. Very active physically. And then don't think of any bad things, because bad things, depression makes you put on weight. So you love everybody, you don't put on weight. So thank you all very, very much. I enjoyed every minute of what I was interacting with you. And inshallah, we will meet some other time and we will see how nicely it is. Thank you all very, very much once again.
As a pregnant woman, is taking calcium and iron supplements every day safe?
No. When you're pregnant, especially in the first 3 months, avoid any drug. ANYDRUG, any drug. Avoid it.
And what should she do if her 3 months old baby gets fever?
No, you must have a good pediatric doctor for the baby. And if he's a sensible person, he will not give medicines, because the baby will be all right. You can bring down the temperature by tepid sponging. But I am not the doctor. You ask your doctor. This is a personal question. This is a question, not a general question. Okay?
Yeah. Please come in the queue. Don't jump.
No. But psoriasis has some other treatment. If you want to, there's a doctor called Chris Reynolds in Australia, and he has got a very good thing, which is made out of wheat grass. drwheatgrass.com and see. Go. Yeah.
So there's a question on epilepsy, doctor. Supposing it's not occurred.
Yeah, I know. He wants to know whether epilepsy can be, the treatment can be stopped. No, epilepsy, the treatment conventionally stopped when you don't get a fit for 2 years. Some people ask for 5 years. And this pressure is from the drug companies most of the time. There is a doctor who gets very good special yoga for epilepsy treatment. And he's an American. And you can write to him. And he will answer you how to do that. It's called Kriya Yoga. And he has got a beautiful yoga. And that's the treatment for epilepsy. His name is David Shanoff Khalsa. Yeah, internet. You say David Shanoff Khalsa. You talk to David.
Doctor, there's a question on diabetes insulin. The doctor has asked him to continue insulin. So what does he do in that case?
It depends on whether he's a type 1 diabetic or a type 2 diabetic. Type 2. But insulin for a type 2, you're thin, probably ask another doctor. He may give you a tablet. No, that's what I'm saying. For a type 2 diabetes, insulin is very rarely given. Unless there is something wrong with you. So you better see a good doctor. Okay? Where are you from?
Where are you from? Belgaum.
Belgaum. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ? Yeah.
Doctor, the next question is on pranayam and yoga. Is there a way that it can increase memory power? Pranayam and yoga, if done, is there a way it can increase memory power?
Yes, certainly. Pranayama, meditation. Howdaudu, of course, yes, very much.
The next question, what is the treatment of calf muscle pain in diabetes type 2?
Type 2 diabetic people get calf muscle pain mainly because of electrolyte imbalance. Either they have taking too much of some drugs which will throw out salt and water or some potassium loss. So the best thing is you see your own doctor and find out what is the cause. Okay.
For paranoid schizophrenia, is Ayurvedic treatment good or allopathic?
I don't know of any treatment for paranoid schizophrenia which is better than the other one. I told you. So you have to have some treatment for whatever it is. But what they require is understanding, compassion. They'll be all right. I don't know of any good treatment for schizophrenia. No.
The next question is on water. Is boiling water better or mineral water better?
Yeah, I think natural water is better, provided the water is clean. Not in brass vessel, keep it in a silver vessel. No, because water is life. When you boil it, it gets killed. ಹೌದು ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ life goes.
There's a lady suffering from wheezing from her childhood and now it's affecting her legs.
Amma, you must see a good doctor for treatment.
What is affecting? Tell me first. Okay, it's affecting the herpes. So what does she do? Is there a cure?
She has to, no, I am not doing any consultation practice here. You must see a doctor, please.
No, herpes, I got herpes. Herpes.
Herpes has nothing to do with asthma.
No, not. She's asking wrongly. Herpes, whether there is any cure for that?
Yeah.
But doctor is telling there is no cure at all.
You must change your doctor. There is treatment for that. You don't worry.